Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial on applied accessibility, and we're going to learn how to avoid color blindness issues. So there are various forms of color blindness, as they say here, that they can range from reduced sensitivity to a certain wavelength of light to the inability to see color at all. And then the most common form of reduced sensitivity is to detect green. So in this example, there's a green here. Similar green colors is when the colors are next to each other in the color wheel and next to green using one of them, green and another color. And then that should be avoided because some colorblind users may not be able to distinguish between them. So for this exercise, we want to change this because the color of the yellow and green are neighboring hues on the color wheel and virtually indistinguishable for some colorblind users. So we want to change the text color to a dark blue to accommodate this. And this is just important to keep in mind when you design your website, your apps, to make sure that colorblindness is accommodated and to pick your colors carefully. So we just change the text color here, copy and paste it, replace it here, and there you go. And that should be it for this one. Thank you so much.